Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing Darth Vader with a lightsaber. And this is going to be a full length Darth Vader. So there's kind of a lot to it. But we can do it. Oh yeah, because we're a bunch of drawing maniacs. Okay. Poor Darth. Going into the lava. Having to get rebuilt. Okay, you guys are gonna stay with pencil. Stay with pencil, my little Padawan learners. All right, so I'm gonna start with a line like this, and then I'm gonna draw a line up and back down, and I'm gonna draw a line down and around like that, and put in some eyeballs for old Darth here. Like that. And then we're gonna draw some lines coming up for his helmet. Coming up, around, and back out, in, and back up. Just like that. Easy peasy. And then on this side, we're just gonna come down that, and this is all going to be a very small part of this. He kind of looks like a duck right now. Okay, then we're going to draw the cape like that, and his shoulders, which he has, you know, a little thing resting on it. Like so. And then he's got like a, I'll just go like this for his headgear. All right, then his cape comes around and down. And then his shoulder comes down like so. And then he's got part of an arm showing right here. There's his forearm. And there's his clenched fist, lightsaber. And I want it to go as straight as I can get it. There we go. That looks pretty straight for not using a ruler. You use a ruler if you feel the need to. Okay, then we've got the other arm over here. He's got his glove because he's missing an arm, a hand I should say. And he's reaching because he's probably doing one of those, you know, those one moves where he like drops something heavy on something. Yeah. Typical Darth Vader move. Okay, there's that. Then we got the cape coming out here, waving around. Okay, then we're gonna have his torso here, and he's got his belt thing here. That, and then comes in, and then he's got his piece that hangs there, and then we've got the legs and the kneecap pads. Boots. Kind of come in, down, back around. And they've got a little shield thing on them. And then we've got all this, like, because, you know, he's super shiny. Very shiny. So he's got like all these glimmery, shiny spots. And I think this is like pinstripe, kind of. And then we got the little computer-y kind of thing underneath of him. And now that I'm looking at this, I'm kind of thinking I want this line kind of more here. He's looking a little chunky. Like there, yeah, I like that. This will be part of the cape. Black, black, black. There we go. Then we've got the other leg hanging out here. And it's kind of coming toward us more. So it's gonna look a little different because of the foreshortening. There's the knee pad cap thing. Because, you know, I think, doesn't he burn his legs off? I think so. In the fire. There we go. And then this leg, this shoe's kind of coming more toward us. So it's just got a different kind of look than this one. And then here's his wavy cape in the back. And we got some cape lines. And now there he is. And we'll color this. It'll be awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.